Ready to instantly upgrade your home's vibe without a full makeover? These luxury Amazon decor pieces bring elegance, texture, and that high-end feel into any space with almost no effort. From statement accents to subtle details, everything here is designed to make your home look and feel more refined. All products are linked in the description below. Your wall turns into art the moment these hexagon lights switch on. These smart LED panels let you design your own glowing layout, so you can build patterns that match your room and your mood. Each panel lights up with smooth RGB colors that flow across the wall like a living animation. When music plays, the lights react instantly, turning your favorite songs into a moving light show. You can control everything from your phone or even with your voice using smart assistants. Your bedside table just got a serious upgrade. This smart nightstand doesn't just hold your stuff, it powers your life with built-in wireless charging and USB ports right at your fingertips. So you can drop your phone on top and wake up with a full battery. No messy cables needed. The soft LED lighting lets you switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones to match your mood or nighttime vibe. A hidden drawer keeps your essentials neatly stored, while the sturdy gold frame design adds a modern luxury feel. Your coffee table just turned into a light show. This infinity mirror table creates a stunning 3D glow effect that makes your living room feel like a futuristic lounge. The built-in RGB lights can shift through millions of colors, and you can control everything from your phone or remote. When the music plays, the lights react to the beat, so your space literally comes alive with rhythm. The glass top lets you place decor underneath and watch it reflect endlessly for a hypnotic effect. It's strong enough for daily use, but the real magic is how it transforms your room the moment it lights up. Your mirror just became your personal dressing room. This LED jewelry cabinet hides massive storage inside a full-length mirror, so you can check your look while keeping everything perfectly organized. Open it up and you'll find space for rings, earrings, necklaces, makeup, and more, all neatly arranged and easy for you to reach in seconds. The built-in LED lights let you switch between warm and cool tones, so your outfit always looks right in any lighting. It even locks for extra security, giving you a safe spot for your valuables. A calendar doesn't have to be boring when it becomes part of your wall. This wooden perpetual calendar adds a vintage, decorative touch while still helping you keep track of the date in a simple, hands-on way. You move the pieces yourself, which makes it feel more interactive and personal every day. The warm wooden finish blends easily with modern, retro, or cozy home styles. Hang it in your living room, bedroom, or office to give your space a charming, artistic detail that also stays useful all year round. Smart furniture makes small spaces feel bigger instantly. This solid wood stackable stool set gives you extra seating, side tables, or decor stands whenever you need them. Use each piece separately, then stack them neatly to free up floor space in seconds. The sturdy wooden build keeps them reliable for daily use, while the side handle openings make them easy for you to move around. Best of all, they come fully assembled, so they're ready the moment you open the box. Blank walls turn into designer features with almost no effort. These 3D fluted wall panels add rich texture and a warm oak look that instantly makes your space feel more modern and expensive. The geometric slat design lets you create different patterns, so you can make the wall feel uniquely yours. Lightweight PVC keeps installation simple, and you can easily trim panels to fit corners, studios, bedrooms, or feature walls. It's an easy way for you to give any room that stylish, custom-built look without a full renovation. Cool evenings feel instantly cozier when you bring a real flame to the table. This tabletop propane fire pit turns any outdoor setup into a warm, glowing centerpiece with a full 360-degree view of the fire. The powerful output means you feel the heat quickly, perfect for relaxing or hosting friends outside. A wind glass shield keeps the flame steady, while the adjustable height lets you control the vibe. With easy ignition and a portable design, you can move it from patio to backyard, or even take it along for outdoor gatherings without any hassle. Music becomes something you can actually watch with this dancing ferrofluid speaker display. The magnetic liquid inside moves and twists to every beat, turning your favorite songs into a hypnotic visual show right on your desk. A built-in microphone picks up sound instantly, so even background music or room noise creates those mesmerizing fluid patterns in real time. You can switch between live pickup and AUX mode, depending on how you want the visuals to react. Your room can feel like a spa the moment this diffuser turns on. This clever 2-in-1 design fills the air with a cool, fragrant mist, while real Himalayan pink salt crystals glow with a warm amber light beside it. The flame-style mist effect makes it look like a tiny fireplace, giving your desk, bedroom, or nursery an instantly cozy vibe. With whisper-quiet operation under 20 decibels, it stays peaceful enough for sleep, while the auto shutoff keeps you worry-free once the water runs out. Use the timer modes and adjustable glow settings so you can create the exact mood you want, day or night. A messy room instantly feels calmer when storage looks this good. This creative dresser gives you roomy drawers for clothes, books, accessories, or everyday clutter, while doubling as a decorative statement piece. The solid wood frame and smooth veneer finish make it feel sturdy and polished, and the waterproof coating helps it stay looking fresh with easy wipe-clean care. Best of all, it arrives fully assembled, so you can start organizing the moment it reaches your door. Why settle for a chair that stays still when your comfort can move with you? This cozy swivel accent chair spins a full 360 degrees, making it perfect for chatting, reading, or simply turning toward the TV without getting up. The curved back and gently sloped armrests hug your body, giving you that sink-in feeling the moment you sit down. Soft, teddy-style fabric keeps it warm, plush, and inviting, while the high-density foam cushion stays supportive even after long lounging sessions. Your packages shouldn't sit outside like they're waiting to be taken. This all-in-one delivery box turns your porch into a secure drop zone. It comes fully assembled, so you just place it and start using it right away. Built from a single heavy steel shell, there are no weak points for anyone to pry open. It's basically a fortress for your doorstep deliveries. Your outdoor space just got a serious upgrade in comfort. This pull-down side screen turns your pergola into a private, shaded retreat in seconds. You simply pull it down when you want privacy, sun protection, or a wind barrier, and roll it back up when you don't. It helps block harsh sunlight while still letting fresh air through. The sleek design blends into your setup, making your outdoor area feel more like a calm, protected lounge. This coffee grinder turns your kitchen into a cafe-level setup. You get full control over how fine or coarse your coffee is, so you can dial it in exactly for espresso, drip, or anything in between. It grinds smoothly and consistently, so every cup tastes better and more balanced. The hands-free modes make it easy to use while you do other things. Plus, the anti-static design helps keep your counter clean and mess-free. This rocking chair feels like your personal reset button. You sit down, and the gentle motion instantly helps you relax without even trying. The thick cushioned seat makes it extra comfortable, so you can stay in it for hours reading, scrolling, or just unwinding. It works both indoors and outdoors, so you can place it in your living room, porch, or backyard. The sturdy frame keeps it stable while you enjoy that smooth, calming rock. This isn't your typical bathroom sink. This vertical foot wash station is designed so you can clean your feet comfortably without bending awkwardly or making a mess. It has a dual-level design that keeps hand washing and foot rinsing separate, so everything stays cleaner and more organized. The smooth ceramic surface is easy to wipe down after use. It's compact too, making it perfect for small bathrooms where space really matters. Ever wish your desk could calm you down? This mini sand art robot creates smooth, flowing patterns that are oddly satisfying to watch. You can control everything from your phone, pick designs, change colors, and adjust the speed to match your mood. The built-in RGB lighting adds a soft glow while it works. It's like having a tiny, moving piece of art that helps you relax without doing anything at all. This table has a cool secret hiding inside. At first glance, it looks like a sleek modern side table, but lift the top and it doubles as a water dispenser. You can store a full jug inside and keep drinks easily accessible wherever you are. The stone-like finish gives it a premium look, while the weather-resistant build lets you use it indoors or outdoors. It's smart, simple, and surprisingly useful. Your table just learned a new trick. This glowing resin table lights up the moment you touch it, turning everyday furniture into something straight out of a movie. The mix of natural wood and epoxy creates a flowing, river-like design that looks stunning even when it's off. When it lights up, it adds a soft, magical glow to your space. Use it as a coffee table or side table. It's functional, artistic, and impossible to ignore. Your living room just turned into a hidden cinema. This motorized laser TV cabinet keeps everything out of sight until you're ready to watch. With one tap, the screen rises smoothly from the base and transforms your wall into a massive display. The special screen blocks unwanted light, so you get a clear picture even during the day. It also protects your projector inside, keeping your setup clean, safe, and seriously impressive. Your wall just became a living piece of art. This mirror waterfall fountain turns any space into a calm, spa-like escape. Water gently flows down the reflective surface onto natural river stones, creating a soothing sound you'll actually look forward to. Built-in lighting adds a soft glow, making it stand out even at night. It's easy to set up and works indoors or outdoors, so you can bring peaceful vibes anywhere. This isn't just a toilet, it's a full upgrade to your daily routine. This smart toilet comes with a built-in bidet that cleans with warm water exactly how you like it. You can adjust the spray, pressure, and temperature for total comfort every time. The lid opens and closes automatically, so you never have to touch it. It even cleans itself using UV light, keeping everything fresh without extra effort from you. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.